Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you two different makeup and hair looks. The first look is very girly, very pinky, very bubbly. While the second look is kind of the opposite of the first one. It's kind of glam, a little sexy, a little mysterious. And we're going to start off with the first look, and then we're going to do some modifications, some changes, and then we're going to move on to the second look. So yes, if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with applying this sunscreen and a little of this almond oil that I actually use very frequently in probably all of my videos. So I'm just going to moisturize my face with that, and then I'm going to take this shade, this foundation shade from the Kryolan Supra Color Palette, a shade that matches me perfectly, and then I'm going to apply it only on the areas where I actually need it. So if I have some marks or something, some scars on my face, I'm going to cover that up, and I'm going to blend it all with this buffer brush. And then I'm going to take a foundation shade from that same palette, a shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to brighten my under eyes and my eyelids, and again blend it with that same brush. And then I'm just going to do my eyebrows like I normally do. And then I'm going to use that shade to just set my under eye area, and rest of the face I leave it as it is. I'm going to use that same shade and brush it off on my eyelids with a smaller brush. And then I'm going to use this metallic golden shade, and with just a finger I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. Really pack it on. And then I'm going to use this highlighter from Savannah and just apply it on the inner corner of my eyes to kind of brighten it up. And then the usual areas where I like to highlight, I'm just keeping it very subtle and not going overboard with it. And again a little bit of blush. And now I'm going to use this colossal eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes. No wing, just a normal wing, just a normal liner. And then curl my eyelashes and tons of mascara. And then I'm going to use this lipstick from Selemi. It's a very pinky shade, very beautiful. I'm just going to apply it, and yes, we're going to move on to the hairstyle. So I'm going to do a middle part first, and then I'm going to pick a small section on the top of my head, just a small section, and then I'm going to divide that section into three sections, and then I'm going to braid my hair while adding more hair to the braid after each step. We're going to braid it like that, and at the end we're going to take up the front bits of the head, like my hair, the bangs and everything, and we're going to continue braiding it like that. And then I'm just going to secure it with a hair tie. When I'm all done, just tighten it up, take some hair strands out to kind of frame my face, and those bits kind of hanging out, I'm going to curl them away from my face. And I'm going to pin some of those sections away because they were kind of clouding my face. So yes, this was the first look. And then for the second look, I just took off my lipstick, and then I'm going to use this Pro Blush palette from Freedom, and I'm just going to bronze up my face, and I'm using this metallic blush, and just apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to use this bronzer and kind of define my crease line with a smaller blending brush. And then for my eyeliner, I'm just going to wing it out. We already had a liner on, so I'm just going to wing that liner out. A little more of the mascara. And yes, I'm going to use this lipstick. It's the shade Burgundy Blush. It's by Maybelline. It's amazing. I love this shade. And yes, that is the finished makeup look. And for the hair, again, I'm just going to start with the center part. I'm just going to take some sections from the front bits of my hair and just pin it away like that. Again, I'm curling my bangs. If you have wavy hair like I have in this look, it looks very nice, very beautiful. Again, it looks very great with straight hair as well. But with curly and wavy hair, it really stands out. So anyway, this was the second look. I really hope you like this video and these two looks. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.